Hey guys, I'm Liv. I'm a nutritionist, foodie, yogi, and I'm here on Bondi Harvest to do a healthy gut series. So we're going to be doing 10 beautiful gut health centered recipes. So stay tuned. Make sure you keep watching to see those recipes rolled out. Today we're going to be making a coconut kefir bircher. So we've got a few types of seeds: hemp seeds, chia seeds, coconut kefir, which is basically a bit like a coconut yogurt. It's a fermented food. Some almond milk. We're going to soak it up, leave it in the fridge overnight, and then we're going to make a blueberry and ginger syrup to go with. What makes a healthy gut is the structure of it. So you want the lining of it to be in good shape, which means it's not letting out things that shouldn't be in there into your system. You also want your gut microbiome to be in a good shape, and that is trillions and trillions of bacteria that live all along your digestive system, and they help us produce things like hormones and metabolites and all that sort of stuff, which we actually need to survive. Okay, so a bircher is traditionally made with oats, and you soak it overnight and it helps make it more digestible. Today we're not using oats, we're doing only seeds, so it's totally gluten-free, and I prefer to use seeds because they're so packed in nutrition and a better option for breakfast. First, we've got the hemp seeds. So these are super high in omega-3s, perfect for breakfast and brain health. So we've got 3 tablespoons. And then we've got the chia seeds. So same, 3 tablespoons, also really high in omega-3s, which is good. And chia seeds soak up liquid, which is why you've got to soak it overnight. And it looks liquidy in the jar, but then tomorrow it's all kind of thick and delicious. Next, we're going in with the almond milk, which is the liquid. And then the coconut kefir, which is my favorite ingredient. It's kind of sour, that's the way I like it, and it's thick and luscious and naturally sweet. So that's about half a cup going in there. But really the magic happens when you shake it, because it really helps all the seeds disperse in there so you don't end up with big clumps of chia seeds. Into the fridge, and that's step 1. Then we're going to move on to step 2, which is the blueberry ginger syrup. The second step is to make the blueberry ginger syrup. It's one of my favorite things to make because it literally is just blueberries and ginger. One tip, when you're cutting your ginger, leave it in big, large chunks, then you can remove it later. Otherwise, you'll end up with big, chunky, chewy bits of ginger. So that will bubble away on the stove for about 15 minutes. All the liquid will reduce a little bit and it will become a jammy sort of consistency. So this is one that we did earlier. So you can see it's been soaking in the fridge overnight and it's really thick. All that liquid has been absorbed. So now comes the fun part. Got to put it together. So all that's going to happen is the bircher goes into the bowl, and then we're going to top it with that hot, yummy, jammy blueberry syrup. Fresh fruit, today I'm using strawberries, but you can use whatever you want. And then a dollop of almond butter, just because it tastes good. So that's it, super healthy breakfast, coconut kefir bircher, blueberry syrup with ginger, almond butter, fruit. It's a perfect breakfast, super high in protein, really good fats from all those seeds, low sugar fruits, which are those blueberries, and you've got that coconut kefir in there, which is the fermented food, which is so good for your gut.